Welcome to Tutorials by David, and today we'll be having a quick review of the Producer AI. Is this AI music generator worth using or not? Producer AI is an AI powered music generation platform that turns text into conversational prompts into full length tracks with vocals and instrumentation using its Fuzz 2.0 model designed to make music creation accessible even without technical expertise. So, what it does well is that it's fast, covers a wide range of genres, and uses conversational interface that feels intuitive for beginners and hobbyists. Also, it's built by a team with roots in Refusion, giving it some credibility in the AI music space. Some third party safety scans also indicate the site appears legitimate and safe to use. Where it falls short, or the cons for it, is that the free tier has daily credit limits and non commercial use restriction. You'll need to pay a paid plan for heavier or studio ready work. Many users and reviewers note that tracks often need additional tweaking for professional quality, and the platform is still evolving with limited documentation and invite only access at times. Community feedback is mixed. While some people do enjoy its creative potential, others criticize the audio quality or model performance, especially in vocals or complex arrangements.